Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see another flip-flop that is called as T flip-flop. The meaning of T flip-flop is toggle flip-flop, right? So toggle flip-flop. So we should understand what is the meaning of toggling, right? So if we consider toggling, the meaning of toggling is, right? So if your previous previous output is 1, now the current input is going to be 0. If the previous output is 0, the current output is going to be 1, right? So that is what? If it is like 1, you are going to get as 0. If it is 0, you will get it as 1, right? So this case is called as toggling state, right? So here the extension version of JK flip-flop. The JK flip-flop, when the JK flip-flop J value and K value is going to be 1, right? So we are going to call it as a toggle flip-flop, right? So the truth table of toggle flip-flop can be written as T and it is Q, right? When T is 1, here it is, we can write it as 0. When it is 0 and it is going to be 1. So what is the meaning of this? We can write it as the t means t is equals to 1. What is the meaning of t is equals to 1? Means j and k value both are 1 1. When both are 1 1 only, so you are going to get a toggle state. So you can write it as like a q. If it is q bar, right? So that is what we can write it as q and q bar. When it is 1, it is going to be q and q bar. If it is q, if it is 0, that is what we'll draw so that we'll understand here. How I can write here is j and k. So j and k. So it is simply we can write like this, right? So here we can write it as a toggle flip-flop. If both are 1 1, look at here, 0 and 0, no issues, right? So then 1 and 0, right? So here what is that? 0 and 0, no change. But what is 1 and 1 here? Now look at this, both are 1 1. When both are 1 1, it should toggle. Toggle means the previous state is 1, so it should become 0, right? So next, similarly you can go up to the last stage, right? So this we can see it for what is that? Clock stages. So simply randomly you can't write the toggling states, right? So that is a advantage of T flip-flop. So here I will write the only 2 or 3 clocks, right? So I will consider it as 1 1 1 level triggering. I will call it as it is clock. So J is like this, right? So K I will write like this, right? So here what is the output, how it is going to be. So for this I will see, right? When clock is 1, J is 0, K is 0, output is no change, right? Then 0, if clock is 0, no. If clock is 1, both are 1 1 means the previous state is 0 means now the output is going to be 1. Then here clock 0, no change. Then 1, 1 and 1. 1 and 1 means it should toggle, right? So this is what we have written as toggling of the T flip-flop. When it is 1 and 1, both are high at that time, we will call it as a toggling flip-flop. So that is a advantage of a T flip-flop. That's a modified JK flip-flop when both are 1 1, right? So that is what here we can call. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.